Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make sauerkraut and kielbasa. First, let's start with the sauerkraut. Begin by shredding 1 medium head of cabbage, approximately 3 pounds, into fine strips. Then, combine the shredded cabbage with 2 tablespoons of non-iodized salt in a large bowl. Massage the cabbage for about 10 minutes until it releases a good amount of liquid. This brine is essential for fermentation. Once packed, place a smaller jar or a fermentation weight directly on top of the cabbage to keep it completely submerged under its brine. This prevents mold growth. Cover the jar loosely with a lid or a breathable cloth, allowing gases to escape. Store your jar at room temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for 3 to 4 weeks. Taste it periodically to find your perfect level of sourness. Now, let's prepare the kielbasa to accompany your homemade sauerkraut. For simplicity, select a high-quality, pre-cooked kielbasa sausage. Slice the kielbasa into half-inch thick rounds or diagonal pieces. Heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the kielbasa slices and brown them for about 5 to 7 minutes, turning them occasionally to ensure even cooking and a nice golden brown exterior. Once your kielbasa is beautifully browned, it's time to bring everything together. Drain any excess liquid from your fermented sauerkraut, then add it directly to the skillet with the cooked kielbasa. Stir everything gently to combine. Allow the mixture to cook together for about 5 minutes, letting the flavors meld beautifully. Serve this hearty dish hot, perhaps with a dollop of spicy mustard or a slice of crusty bread.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.